come from Earth, a planet of outlaws.
My name is Peter Quill.
So here we are. A thief, two thugs, an assassin, and a maniac. But we're not gonna stand by as evil wipes out the galaxy.
I guess we're stuck together, partners.
Are you telling me the fate of 12 billion people is in the hands of these criminals?
Oh, yeah. I look around. You know what I see? Losers. But if we don't save the galaxy, who will?
Oh, what the hell? I don't got that long a lifespan anyway.
They call themselves the Guardians of the Galaxy.
I'm high on believing
Might not be the best idea.
that you're in love with me.